Good morning, students. Good morning,
Good morning, ma'am.
Yami.
Good morning, mom.
Have you people looked into the marks? Have you people seen the marks? Hmm?
No, ma'am.
नहीं? अच्छा, अब check कर लेना. Uh, what I wanted to tell you today is that you see there are two activities were given which you people had done, and many of you have actually submitted the same thing. I didn't understand why. Can you recall? Students, can you recall that? The activity which you people had submitted? Hmm?
Yes, ma'am.
तो उसमें uh, I don't know, many of you why submitted the same thing and pasted the same in the two different areas, but the matter is same, but the matter was to be different. Huh? You people didn't understand or what happened? Very few have done actually in the proper manner. And also I told you that you should have an index page and all, so that when you submit it, suppose a hard copy is required, we do not know if later on we require, before you pass out from university, suppose, then you should have it ready. Then again you will sit and start doing, that will be a problem for you. So that in fact, except two or three students, none of you have done, which I had repeatedly told you. And for the test part, if you can recall that earlier there was a test from the module 1 in the beginning, sometime in the September. So that test combined with the yesterday's test, a day before yesterday test, and then combined with that the average was is being taken for your as a class test for your 15 marks out of 15 marks. Then your all this activity part has gone into your this another 15 marks, it has gone into that. So and the rest is your presentation, which all of you have done, and maximum students have done in a proper manner, and with the content part and with the presentation part, it was satisfactory. But yes, then everybody is not always on the same level. There is some variation, some difference in terms of how you are ultimately expressing. And for the PSTA also, the activities which were given to you, people had simply taken up, but some two or three lines from your side, at least you know that how do you understand that, that was missing. So whatever is being done is like it's now over, but for your future, for your this thing, you should be able to interpret if something is being given to you, some a case study. So it is not that the case study uh, is to be taken as it is and to be pasted. So that is much younger children can also do. So something else was also expected. So anyway, that is there. I've also wanted to share some important questions from all modules, so that when you are studying that the paper, how do you attempt while studying everything. Although when we talk about this questions, all we consider that all, of course, all topics are important, but the way the questions are being put up, or the way the questions are supposed to be coming, is something relevant. Are you able to hear me what I'm saying? You people are very quiet.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, सुन रहे हो आप लोग?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, तो अगर आप इफ यू कैन ओपन योर मॉड्यूल 1, अगर आप खोल सकते हो तो खोल के देख लो. तो मॉड्यूल 1 में बेसिकली व्हाट यू नीड टू बी, द क्वेश्चंस वुड बी रिवॉल्विंग अराउंड basically the concept of business anthropology, and a bit on history part, in which studies, Hawthorne studies and all were also discussed in the beginning. So how historically it is important to see that this concept of business has started coming, and how anthropologists started taking up these areas of study. So that becomes a very basic and fundamental topic to be learning from for the students who will be studying this subject. Tomorrow somebody would go for specialization, let's say even in masters there would be a specialization in such subjects. So your basic knowledge of this subject would really help you out if you are going for some of the courses related to organization or related to business type of course, right? So one important question revolves around the framing of question can be different. It is different for every time, but the question revolves around number one, the concept. That means what is the subject, what are the importance, what are the principles, what are the features. These all come into that. But the question may be what are the features, what are the principles, what are the basic concepts surrounding this terminology, or like that. So framing of question would be different, but the first important fundamental thing is number one, concept. Number two is the historical part. So that these two things come into that. Then comes a very basic of which you have been studying throughout your syllabus. What is organization structure, or what is business structure, or what is the culture, role of culture in the business, or how culture is important, or what kind of activities which are being taken up by these organization nowadays, what are the different kinds of trends which are coming in the business areas. That is also important. So concept, then history, then the fundamentals, that is what is the structural part, how the business organization works, what are the functions, what are the parameters through we judge that how these business organizations are going. Then your this cultural part, and uh, one other important topic in this is the corporate social responsibility. So corporate social responsibility, you have to just understand about what is the subject and what is the relevance. So that itself frames one important question for this topic. Have you understood what I am saying? Hmm?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
हाँ, तो जब आप स्ट्रक्चर
Yes,
और
ma'am.
उसके रोल्स वगैरह पढ़ेंगे तो उसमें कॉर्पोरेट वैल्यूज, इथिक्स, वो सब आ जाएगा, बिकॉज इट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ दैट what is there in the organization, what is there in the business system. So if you are not aware of what is values, what are ethics, that is little bit, it has to be linked with the systems of the business organization, that how relevant it is. You're talking of culture, you're talking of values, you're talking of ethics, all these, how it becomes. And if you go into the detail, you will find that the answers are quite overlapping. If you are ignoring the values part, you're ignoring the ethics part, you're ignoring the culture part, the organization might have different issues and different problems. So the organization which are trying to incorporate all these issues, all these points, are actually moving towards in a better manner. So this is what you would show, that how these things like values, culture, and how these become so important. So nowadays, if you cannot say that business is just kind of manufacturing, or it is just handled by some people who are just engineers, or very earlier it used to be like that, but the things are now changing a lot. So many things of these nature are also like trying to understand the culture, trying to understand the values, trying to understand. So all these become so interlinked. So when it becomes so interlinked, so interlinkages helps you in describing that what is the value and importance of such topics. Have you understood? Have you understood the questions, how the questions are being framed around such topics? Students,
Yes,
have you
ma'am.
understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
You see, because this paper is just running from last semester, students have studied, and you are the second set of students. So we are also trying to see that whether we can make this paper better, or whether we can incorporate some changes also. So we also want to understand from students perspective also, whether they are able to grasp it or not, or they are able to understand, or they are uh, understanding it or not. So that is also very important. So just having a syllabus and just giving lectures on it is just not sufficient for everything. You also, we all want that whatever is being taught is being useful for you in the long run. So that is very important and critical. So for any you people work in any sector, any area, many students may go to, let's say, NGO. Many students may go to some organizations also, may go to government also, anywhere. The fundamentals which you have read about the organization is same, whether even if you go in the government, there is a kind of some structure, there is a kind of some functions, there are roles, there are authorities, there are hierarchy, there is a system that how the whole work will function, there is a governance. So a very basic of understanding any business organization is something relevant to wherever you work. So you will have something in the back of the mind that what basically the systems are when people are actually working, or what actually how the whole system is is set up. So although in this syllabus for at your level, there are many more topics which we cannot incorporate everything in over here, but still the topics which are very basic and fundamental are there in the subject. So somebody even wants to take up a course like this further, or maybe work also, so have at least some basic ideas about that, right? So first module, the questions, what I said, the questions would be surrounding around these kinds of topics. Okay, note it down. Note करा आपने कि नहीं?
Yes, ma'am. Kara hai, ma'am.
हाँ.
Yes, ma'am.
अच्छा, फिर सेकेंड पार्ट में दैट डे देयर वाज अ लेक्चर नो बाय पंकज सर.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
तो वो लेक्चर में जो था वो मतलब उसमें दो तीन बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है with respect to the strategies or trends, that how technology has they are converging in this business world, and how with the help of technology there is so much of changes which are coming, and how business organizations are also trying to adapt themselves. So every day, every time new and new things are coming. You can just imagine people who had actually started working somewhere in, say, let's say 2000 or 1998, 99 or something like that. Let's say 2000. Now in these 20 years, if you talk to the same people, these 20 years have actually brought a tremendous change in terms of adoption of new technologies, new ways of working. So these set of people have actually faced so many new things, which if you go back something 40 years, 30 years, so those those people have had a similar kind of environment with respect to work, but this set of people have really seen that so many changes have come. Let's say after 2000, one is that economy also started changing, the technological advancement, so all new things, depending so much on softwares, and then learning new things, and implementing all those new things in that way. Now just imagine, this time, when we have to see your assignment, we were also used to be taking in the hard copies, the copies which you come and submit in the rooms, and then we just look into and then just give some marks or give you comments or put something red or like that. But if I do through this is also something new for me, to go into the teams and see each and every student's assignment or whatever document is submitted. So very different. So giving the feedback in that manner and giving the feedback, so that there is a so much of difference. But that difference, people also are trying to change, trying to adapt. So you will see that in this second module, a bit of what he had explained that day, um, uh, that kind of summarized thing is required for you to be a little bit writing about how this technological or how the changes which has come up in the business world, how the trends are changing, what are the new things business world is looking for, what are the new areas where they are venturing, where and why they are venturing, why that is all these required. So that is number one. So your one question may be surrounding around that topic. Next part is your all methodology. Methodology means different set of techniques or tools which are being used in the business world, whether by anthropologists or whether by even market professionals or business professionals, MBA professionals, anyone. But there are set of tools through which we are trying to understand the business world, the market world, the consumer world. So as long as we are not aware of such things, we actually cannot incorporate anything in our business strategies. So from those, the test also which you have given, and this time your test is the outcomes are better as compared to your last test. So in the last test, most of you had done very average, and this time I found that maximum of you have done very good. So when I just try to compile it, I see the difference in the first test. uh, Many of you, in fact none of you could score more, even 8, just one student I think. So and rest were below 8 marks. So in this test, this was much better in terms of your scoring, and many of you could score well. And this was also, uh, just 4 topics were there, and you were clear about what are the 4 things which you have to just focus on. So for the second module, just remember that all the techniques, ethnographic, market, consumer, then appreciative inquiry, user research, these all should be the basic features, and and any other comments, plus minus or some examples. So don't leave anything on this topic, on this module, on this particular methodology part. So all of these things are equally important, and I would say that equal weightage is to be given. So have you understood what I'm trying to say in for the module 2? Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. So module 2 में आपका but methodology में भी एक पढ़ते हैं, तो you will see that all the features, and for all the presentations which I had given for all these topics, they are uploaded also, and they are on the videos also. I think it's available to you. If any of you find that it is not available, you can let me know. Understood? Somebody had seen what are the materials uploaded? Yes or no? Jaldi jaldi bolo.
Yes, ma'am.
देखा था आपने दीपांशी?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you find anything that which you were looking for was not there?
Ma'am, no, ma'am. Everything is uploaded on LMS.
Yeah. So please go through, and my presentations, whichever I have given in the classes, it's quite in detail. Even if you go through my presentations properly, you will find the content as well as the example. So even those slides, if you go through properly, whatever the slides are extensive, there are many slides for every presentation, whatever was given, and in maybe one particular maybe two topics are in one PPT. So just look into that, but they are quite comprehensive. So you that would help you in simply going through that. And apart from that, there are materials also which are being uploaded, but you must go through properly through those sections of the contents of those slides, which would be very helpful for you. Okay, understood?
Yes,
हाँ
ma'am.
अच्छा, अब फिर मॉड्यूल 3 is mainly I kept for reading from your side and some bit from additional things from my side. And in the module 3, the notes which were given, that are quite sufficient. You can elaborate on that very well, and that is also given in a very simple and lucid manner. There are lots of other things, because in your presentations also I saw that you people had incorporated many more things from here and there with a lot of pictures and even videos, which came out very well in many presentations. So of course you can use those as examples wherever you are talking about. Mostly when we are talking about the, let's say, the questions, I will just say that once again yeah. So in the third module section, when we are talking of questions, there can be direct, there can be indirect. So sometimes when there is a direct, it's very simple to ask that what is the conflict in any organization, what is the process of conflict, what is the nature of conflict, what is the characteristics of conflict. So these are different types of questions which can be framed, but the basic thing is the same, that you want to understand what are the types of conflict, what is the nature, characteristics and all. Sometimes you may have an indirect question also. Indirect question means it's something like is the conflict is different from competition. Let's say conflict is different from competition. Now you comment. Now when you write about conflict is different from competition, now you have to explain what conflict is, what competition is, and how to show that this is different. So sometimes you have to you don't have to simply give the definitions, just give it in more analytical description about what the question is actually looking for, right? So sometimes the question could also be like poor communication in organization is like a very high potential source of conflict. Now whether you studied individual level, group level, organizational level, in that communication, poor communication, right? So poor communication is actually a major bottleneck in many organizations. So when it is put in that way, so you might like to explain that how the poor communication is uh, is actually a source of conflict at various level, maybe at individual, maybe at group, maybe at organization. So suppose even if 5 people are sitting together and they're working in one same setup, but they are not communicating many things to each other. So it may lead to that, it may lead to kind of blame game, who somebody would say this, somebody would say that. So these kinds of, you know, examples to explain that how that poor communication is actually an important source of conflict in various organization at various levels. So it can be you know, uh, put it in a different way. It can be, it simply ask that uh, what is the role of communication in the organization, or it can be put in poor communication in organization is a source of conflict. It can be both way. So maybe direct or indirect. Sometimes it can be something like as we studied that, or conflict has both positive and negative things. Positive impact is there, negative impact there. Sometimes you can also be put in the same question can be put it in a different way, that these outcomes of this organizational conflict can be analyzed in both positive and negative outcomes of. So here the answer has to come from this level, that outcomes of, you know, we are talking of both positive and negative, but when we are talking of their outcomes, it may go in positive, it may go in negative, like that. So in that way, your questions on different types of conflict, different levels of conflict, and different sources of conflict, the impacts of conflict, reasons of conflict, these all are, you know, very important in terms of the questions. The questions may be framed by using such terminologies. It may be very direct, it may be indirect, it may be explanatory, it may be essay type, it may be of any type. Okay, so that's what you have to understand in that manner. And I hope you are not facing any problem in the syllabus part. Okay, so tell me something if you have anything to say. No?
No, ma'am.
ठीक है, तो कोई बात नहीं। अब आप ऐसा करो, ठीक है, तो you people have got the date sheet.
Ma'am, I was gonna ask you if the if the faculty has any information. Ma'am, we haven't got the date sheet. Naveen sir told us that the tentative is 9th or 10th, ma'am. But
Tentative is 9.
most of the departments have got their fixed schedules, ma'am, and it's not much time is also left. So
No, time is not there. You have to start preparing. जैसे मैंने आज आपको जैसे एक framework दिया है, you please go by that framework.
yes, ma'am. So, but we're not getting a schedule also, ma'am.
We are also not got, no, we have also got the tentative one. So you just imagine that from 9th onwards you have the exam. Whichever paper comes in whichever date, that's okay. But you just imagine that post 9th you will have the exam. अभी तो आप टारगेट 9th ही रखोगे ना, unless and until university postpones it. University has put a tentative beginning from 9th. ठीक है? Understood, Georgian?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
तो फिर आप प्रिपरेशन तो स्टार्ट कर दीजिए अपनी, जो भी स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं। क्लासेस तो सब खत्म हो गई ना, अभी आप तो क्लास नहीं है आपकी, है? टुडे
No,
यू
ma'am.
हैव, टुडे डू
Ma'am,
यू हैव क्लासेस?
ma'am, अभी apart from your class, none of the other have published anything, or like calendar में भी कुछ visible नहीं है आज.
आपके अमेज़न में आज कोई क्लास नहीं थी?
Ma'am, Amazon is showing classes, but like Teams में classes schedule.
लगाया है आपका?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके ओके, चलो ठीक है, जिसने नहीं लगाया।
Ma'am, also wanted to know, like, the exam is going to be online, but like some departments also have been told, like the faculty has decided whether it would be open book or objective or subjective in that sense. सो मैम हमारा कैसे होगा, उसका भी कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन मिल जाता तो?
It is a
Like our English, we had a professor from English department, so she
hmm.
told us that every department is individually deciding if which it would be online, but what form of test it would be, whether it would be open book or some other type. So मैम वो हमारा department कैसे करेगा?
हमारा जो है वो रेगुलर प्रॉक्टर पे है।
मैम रेगुलर प्रॉक्टर मतलब?
इट्स ऑनलाइन, ऑनलाइन एग्जाम है, सब एग्जाम ऑनलाइन है।
और मैम मतलब जो
इट्स नॉट
स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ
एमसीक्यू,
क्वेश्चंस
इट्स नॉट
वो मैम
एमसीक्यू,
नॉट एमसीक्यू, और मैम ओपन
नॉट
बुक होने का चांस है?
ओपन बुक नहीं है, इट्स अ रेगुलर प्रॉक्टर।
ओके।
It's like questions are normal, questions are given and it's online proctoring. लास्ट टाइम तो आप लोगों का कुछ हुआ नहीं ना, इसलिए आपको पता नहीं है, लेकिन द स्टूडेंट्स हु हैड
Yes,
गिवन
ma'am.
सप्लीमेंट्री वगैरह दिया है ना स्टूडेंट्स ने, और सप्लीमेंट्री दिया है, फिर थर्ड ईयर की जो फाइनल पास आउट बैच था उनका पेपर था। तो some departments have kept regular, some have kept OB, some have kept MCQ, depending on the type of paper. Like some paper may be MCQ also, but in our department, maximum papers are regular proctored. ठीक है?
मैम कोई ट्रायल नहीं होगा लाइक बिकॉज वी हैव नेवर गिवन द एग्जाम, तो मैम ऐसे उसमें
नहीं नहीं, बिल्कुल डरने की जरूरत नहीं है उसमें। यू सी व्हेन वी
इट्स लाइक कि कभी कभी नेटवर्क इशू भी हो जाता है, लाइक वी हैवंट यूज्ड दैट व्हील बॉक्स सिस्टम, सो जस्ट वांट टू ट्राई कि कैसे होगा।
नहीं नहीं, आई टेल यू बिकॉज व्हाट हैपेंस, you know, we were also thinking in the similar manner when we started taking up this proctoring for the students, when we also, because we were also doing the proctoring na, so we were also feeling ki how the students would upload, those things are there. Last time when students had done the final year students, उनका जो पेपर था तो ठीक है, little bit of you know this thing is there, sometimes uploading में problem आती है, but if you follow the times and their guidelines, I don't think so you will have the problem. And the things which you have to keep ready with you, that you have to do. It's something similar when your exams are coming. You have to prepare for everything, that where is your stationery box, where is your board, and then you know some minimum preparation you do for your exams apart from studying is of course there. So in this manner you have to be, you know, your online things are to be on place, your laptop, or your, some students are doing from I think phone also. So वो सब ready होना चाहिए आपका, और कुछ नहीं है इतनी problem. And then we are always there to help you out if some student is facing problem. तो स्टूडेंट्स को हम लोग भी मॉनिटर करते रहते हैं, पूछते रहते हैं। इनिशियली व्हेन दे एंटर, फिर तो दे स्टार्ट डूइंग, फिर प्रॉब्लम नहीं होती, फिर तो दे गेट बिजी विद देयर 2 hours व्हेन दे हैव टू अपलोड, समटाइम्स at that time, and sometimes when they are entering into the virtual room. It's something similar when we started classes, you know, some students are taking time, some are saying हमारा नेटवर्क नहीं है, ये नहीं है, वो नहीं है। तो वो आपका नेटवर्क इशू वो आपको अभी रिजॉल्व करके रख लो, ठीक है?
मैम अगर बीच में लाइट चली गई तो
आपको जो टाइम देते हैं ना, सपोज करो
क्लास के बीच में लाइट चली जाती है एंड वाईफाई बंद हो जाता है।
हाँ नहीं, बंद हो जाता है, एक बार मेरा भी हो गया था, आप ही की क्लास में शायद हो गया था, तो एकदम से पिकअप नहीं आता। अब जैसे आपका मान लो 2 घंटे का पेपर है, ठीक है, तो
Yes,
आपको
ma'am.
आधा घंटा अपलोडिंग के लिए दिया जाता है, ठीक है, आधा घंटा आपके पास होता
Yes,
है
ma'am.
तो व्हाट स्टूडेंट्स, यू नो, स्टूडेंट्स ने क्या मिस्टेक्स करते हैं ना, पिछले टाइम में हम लोगों ने अंडरस्टैंड किया, 2 घंटे के बाद 2 घंटे 20 मिनट ऐसे नहीं करना है आपका। 2 घंटे में पेपर खत्म है, 2 घंटे में बंद कर दीजिए पेपर, आधा घंटा आपको रखना पड़ेगा। वो स्टूडेंट्स दे कीप राइटिंग आई थिंक, और फिर 5 मिनट में सोचेंगे अपलोड हो जाए, फिर प्रॉब्लम आएगी, फिर आपका वो वहाँ पे एक टाइम का इशू आएगा। तो आप लोग वो मत करिए। मैंने आपको आज फ्रेमवर्क भी क्यों बताया है, मैं भी चाहती तो आई कुड हैव जस्ट इग्नोर्ड दिस क्लास आल्सो। आपको फ्रेमवर्क उस हिसाब से पढ़िए और लिखिए भी वैसे, नॉट दैट You just go on writing, okay मुझे 5 मिनट और मिल जाए, 10 मिनट और मिल जाए, मैं और लिख दूं, मैं और लिख दूं. ऐसे नहीं करना है. बिल्कुल टाइम से खत्म करिए पेपर को. और पेपर कभी भी ऐसे नहीं होगा कि आपका एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी लंबा होगा. ऐसा कभी नहीं होता. कभी भी टीचर्स ऐसे पेपर नहीं बनाते. तो ये these are the things which you have to keep in mind. But student is responsible. We are not responsible when you are doing the paper and uploading. No, how will we help you? Tell us, how will I help you? So जब एग्जाम चलता है स्टूडेंट्स का, हम लोग I keep touch with all the students whoever is sitting in the exam. So they keep texting also whoever is facing some problem. So ऐसा नहीं है, we are taking care of everything that what is happening. So don't worry about that. बस अपना प्रिपरेशन तो आपको पता ही है कैसे करना है. और अपना इंटरनेट रिलेटेड इशू which you people keep telling in the whole semester that you have network issue, you cannot open the camera, you cannot do this. So आप लोग बोलते ही रहे. हाँ, तो अब आपको वो उसको रेक्टिफाई करना है. वैसे तो इतना नहीं, अगर हम मान भी लें आपके सारे क्लासेस में तो नहीं आपको प्रॉब्लम होती होगी ना कि कोई भी स्टूडेंट कैमरा नहीं ओपन करेगा, ये नहीं करेगा, वो नहीं करेगा. तो ऐसा इट्स नॉट, इट कांट बी, nobody can believe that. But it's okay if you I mean for the exam point of view you have to take care of all these things. और of course उसका एक briefing होता है students का. ठीक है?
Yes,
समझ आ
ma'am.
गया कृतिका?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
तो अपलोडिंग आपको ध्यान रखना है कि आप कैसे अपलोड करेंगे, वो फटाफट आपको करना है. और अपलोडिंग छूट जाता है तो फिर वो मेल करो. अब अगर इतने स्टूडेंट्स मेल करेंगे तो आप सोचो, मेल बॉक्स पे तो हमारे पास ही इतने मेल्स आते हैं. समटाइम्स वी कैन आल्सो मिस सम मेल्स. Why do we tell you to upload on LMS and MS Teams? In our mailbox, one student's mail, I don't know how many mails are there, one student mail, maybe it gets ignored. It's not by intention. Sometimes it may happen, sometimes, not regularly. But that is why, for uploading part, you have to be careful. And for entering part, it's not that easy. VBox and all quite friendly, and it goes in a very smooth fashion. We have seen the proctoring, we have done the proctoring. I have personally done many proctoring, so it's not that difficult. And one thing is there, if anything, there is a chat box, you can immediately write on that VBox. So students also on the chat box, and we have understood.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है फिर. हाँ, लोग आगे काम करिए अपना, and wish you best, and let's hope to meet soon in the campus.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
तो जो भी फाइनल डेट शीट होगी वो आपके पास आ ही जाएगी. ठीक है? Anybody has any question or I close the session?
No questions, ma'am.
ठीक है, तो I'll close the session. All the students are present except Samaksh. Rest all are there. ठीक है. Okay then, wish you all the best for your exam. Do well.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, take care. Be safe, be healthy, and do well in the exam. Okay.